What's up, guys? It's Phil. Today I have the executive box from Short Par 4. Short Par 4 is a subscription box for golf equipment and apparel. There's two different options for men. You have the fairway, which is, I believe it's like $59 before tax, and looking at $65, I believe, with tax and shipping. The executive one is $110 with shipping and everything included. Now you can also get gift cards. So for Father's Day, my girlfriend got me a $260 gift card, which gives you 3 months of boxes. So this is box number 1 for me. This is the June box. The only thing that's not in this box currently is this hat that came with it. I had my girlfriend take it out for an event I was going to, but I have not seen anything that's in here yet. So when you pick what kind of box you want, you get to say, do you want bold colors? Do you want more of an athletic or a traditional? But you also have the option of an everything box. So that's kind of what I went with, not really knowing what I wanted just because I'm getting into golf. So right away, I got kind of a louder, bright pink polo that has just a whole bunch of designs inside of it, and it is one of the US Open logoed ones from last month's US Open. So I believe I got all my colors in medium. Yep. So even the tag has a US Open logo with medium in it. So the design actually is the squirrel. So it's just the squirrel logo throughout it in like a very faint, like darker pink than the rest of it. And they're just up and down and different vertical positioning. Feels super soft. So USGA, sure, it just doesn't say. I don't know if they're the ones that made it or someone else did and they just put their branding on it. So there's the first item. Now this is actually a company that I've seen in some of the other clothing boxes that they've given out. This is 1764. I really like some of their apparel that I've seen. This looks like just a nice pair of shorts. So I'll have to try these on and see kind of how these fit. Just a nice tan, almost like really faint gray color it looks like. These are your Eagle shorts. It's actually, here it is. It's a light gray. These normally retail for $60 here. The shirt say what it retailed for? Yeah, so the shirt of the retail is $80 MSRP. And this is a 2022 shirt, right? I believe so. So $80 for here, $60 for the shorts. So we're already at $140 right here. The box itself, if you just buy one box at a time, is $110. Now I've seen some other people get these in past boxes. I wonder if they just kind of give you certain things for your first box. This is like a little ball carrier. Does this say what is on it? It is not, but it's an FH Wadsworth, New York City brand. But it's for like balls and tees that you just stick in here and then tighten it up. Red, white, and blue theme. Good since I'm opening this July 4th weekend. Put some of my balls in there. And then besides the hat, which the hat was $30, the bag, let's say the bag's $10. So, what did I say? 140 here, 170, 180, and then just the sleeve of balls, which the balls are usually what, $7 to $12. So let's say 10 just to be kind of in the middle. So what, $180 worth of stuff right here. And I apologize for the screen. The camera shaking. My little boy is climbing up to get the camera. TP5X's, and then lastly, the little poker chip you always get. So it's like a ball marker. The logo, the Short Par 4 logo on the one side, and then on the other side it just says Golf Partners for Life, because this was the Father's Day box, so it has the dad and his little boy playing. Really like that. Also have the rainbow on the front and on the back. I would imagine it's supposed to be kind of like a sunset. The chip itself is blue all the way around with yellow in it as well. And then They always give these wine vouchers from what I've seen. I'll hold that up, see if you guys can get it. Any of you guys can use it. I'm not going to whatsoever. I'll also put it down in the description too, just in case you guys can't see that. But that's it for this box. I will catch you guys in the July one, which it'll ship out on the 15th. I'll probably get it by the 20th, and then we'll do our next box. Thank you.